Hey guys, Master Paul here with Master Andrew from Paul Prendergast Karate. This is a nice basic drill for striking and countering. Everyone can benefit from it. So it starts off like this, and it's just a jab and across a 1-2, and then the cover, 1-2 again. We're gonna keep moving. What's cool about it is, you can always add to it. You can add kicks to it afterwards. So again, 1-2, cover, 1-2, kick. Away and defend. 1-2, cover, 1-2, kick. Nice. There it is. We can turn it to 2-3 afterwards. 1-2, cover, 2-3. So the principle is simple. Nice, clean strikes. Defend and counter. Again, one more time. 1-2, cover, 2-3. Give it a try, guys. I think you're going to enjoy it.